大家好. Let's continue to learn the advanced Chinese characters 这 in this video. The third usage of 这 verb 1, 这 verb 2 emphasizes the accompanying state of the main action. We're still using this picture. We see the student's action is sitting, 坐. The teacher's action is standing, 站. The common action is that they are in class, 上课. 上课 is the main action for both of teacher and the student, accompanied by the state of 坐 sitting and 站 standing. So we can say 学生坐着上课，老师站着上课。Here in simple summary, when two actions happen simultaneously, we use 这 to express accompanying action. Typically, is the structure of accompanying action, verb 1, 这 plus main action, verb 2. Let's look at another example. In the gym, running, 跑 is our main action, and listen music, 听音乐 is just one of my accompanying action while running. So we say, 我听着音乐跑步。The younger brother's main action is 写作业, doing homework. How does he do homework? Listen to music. 听音乐 we say 弟弟听着歌写作业。But once Daddy noticed that Dad hit him. 打 is main action, and holding a stick 拿着棍子 is accompanying action. We say 爸爸拿着棍子打他。Probably because 弟弟 listen to the music with the homework. Of course, if both actions in sentence are equally important, both verbs need to be followed by 这 such as 爸爸拿着棍子打着他，弟弟听着歌写着作业，我听着歌跑着步。Okay, let's take a look at the picture and try to describe it using verb 1, 这 verb 2. 他站着工作，他坐着工作。The first usage indicates that an action has been continuing for a period of time. You may have heard 走着走着，看着看着，说着说着。This expresses the continuous state of verb. When using the structure verb 这 in a sentence, it means the action has been ongoing for some time, and naturally action 2 or behavior 2 will occur alongside this continuous action. Let's look at here. The girl is lost now. I can ask her, how did you get lost? She says, I just get lost while walking. 我走着走着就迷路了。So with the continuous action of 走着走着, the event of getting lost naturally occurred. This person is sleeping now. Before falling asleep, she was reading. 看书, that is, she naturally fall asleep, 睡着了 while reading. 看书 we say 她看着看着就睡着了。The girl is eating now, accompanied by action of eating, 吃. She will naturally become full, 饱了。她吃着吃着就饱了。If you read up to here, how would we use verb 这 to describe something like it was raining and then it stopped in Chinese? If you know, please write it in comments. Looking forward to seeing your answers. Until next time.